Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at headlines for today. Chief Minister inaugurates new B.Ed building in Tura. NGOs in Garo Hills to continue agitation in MEECL offices. Demand for separate Garoland state gains momentum. And drug awareness campaign held at Nongsdare, Omyang. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the new building of the College of Teacher Education (CTE) at Rongkhon in Tura on August 19th. Speaking at the inaugural function, the Chief Minister said that in the last 4.5 years, our education system and overall economic situation improved in the state, but education has been a big challenging sector as a whole, and the government has prioritized education since 2018. The Director of DERT, John P. Lakyang, while speaking on the occasion, highlighted the roles and responsibilities of a teacher. The principal of CTE, Rongkhon, Dr. Meena A. Sangma, in her speech, informed that in the state-of-the-art building, there are 119 classrooms, separate rooms for teaching faculties, and said that the CTE is one of the best institutions in the state. While highlighting the needs of the institution, she informed that 90 posts of teaching faculty need to be created and filled up to enable this institution to function smoothly. The Additional Director of Higher and Technical Education, A. Ali Nagi, while delivering the welcome address, informed the gathering that this new building have been constructed at a cost of Rs 18 crores and funded by the Asian Development Bank's Supporting Human Capital Development in Meghalaya. He also informed that this institution will fulfill the need for B.Ed and M.Ed courses as per the NCTE norms and standards.
Suddenly we took over the government and we were told we have to give 18 crores to build this building. There was no fund allocation. And of course we were going through a lot of financial stress when we took over. And when the COVID came in, it wasn't so simple for us. We were told that there are, numbers of residential schools where, hundreds of crores are required for that. Model schools and which have been put up again, crores and crores required for that. So when we came in, we suddenly saw this large number of projects which were started, but the funding was not there to actually implement it. So we had to really mobilize funds, give that priority to education.
The Garo Students' Union CEC President Ziku Balgra and Marak informed that the GSU will resume its agitation for 2 days, that is on August 25th and 26th. The organization has decided to conduct night road blockade from August 29th to September 3rd. The GSU CEC President Ziku Balgra said that they have been decided to resume their agitation by office picketing of MEECL offices for not responding the demands. The organization demanding for the restoration of uninterrupted power supply in Garo Hills, providing sufficient manpower for the smooth maintenance of line. The organization protested again and again, but still the government and authorities of MEECL did not respond to the demands. Therefore, the organization decided to resume the agitation and requested all NGOs to participate in the agitation. The demands are uninterrupted power supply in Garo Hills, stop discriminatory recruitment, extension of sufficient numbers of manpower, backlog recruitment should be done in Garo Hills, stop discriminatory transfer from Garo Hills to Khasi Hills, and recruitment of Garos in the MEECL head office in Shillong.
September na night road blockade ko watken one atham no bajuni pung fast bajuna ya agitation ko chinga khana na ngau dra au ga kya mana no ba chini government da na khba chingna mamung na keba lekha khungsa ba shat kuja ba chingko da na khba golpo na ba okama dong kuja mana ching plakan ma sia ya ching MEECL ni asal longen ni kan rang ko ma singa uni gemen angi plak karam ska NGO rang ko ba ku mongna tanam ka ya chini office picketing o plak NGO rang ari bai bakhor aram pa china plakon mo latinga uni jamano chuni night road blockade umbetung somayo plak aching so donging pa bagaru so donging plak aching jat pong jamena gumjat pong jamena ya night road blockade ko thome aru gumkan corporate ka pa china ni ang latinga.
The Garoland State Movement Committee led by co-chairman Shri Balkaran C.H. Marak and additional General Secretary Shri Boston M. Sangma on August 18, met with two leaders of Tripura's Tipralan statehood demand groups in Agartala Smart City, including Shri Pradyot Bikram Manikya de Barma, the current chairman of Tripura Autonomous District Council and the president of Tripaha Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance. The organization discussed the issues of tribe protection and the demand for a separate state, particularly in the region of Tripura and Garoland states. In course of discussion, he responded positively and agreed to cooperate in all tribal issues that were raised. In addition, the organization met with Shri N.C. de Barma, Tripura's current cabinet minister of land and revenue. They discussed matters on tribal unity and integrity throughout the northeast region, as well as support for Garoland state demands. According to Tripura minister, regional parties should come out and wake up from the tribal slumber in the entire northeast region. He also stated that regional parties must collaborate without exclusion of any tribal community in a region. The Garoland State Demand Memorandum has been submitted to the Government of India by GSMC earlier. According to Additional General Secretary Boston M. Sangma and Co-Chairman Balkaran C.H. Marak, they have come to Tripura to seek help from like-minded tribal groups to demand statehood for their community.
Visiting kana kata Tripura jen koi bahas nga dengan minister ko aro tentang parti ni dengan penguasa jen tau CN Development President of the Engineers People Forum of Tripura ya President ko singa penguasa untuk tentang masa ya Tripura Tripura Alliance Party Pradyot Bikram Manikya Development untuk singa penguasa untuk singa ko penguasa mana singa bini reksno bini Garoland guman biya akan cakaha wa biya pusat pokok singa ba onda simang na ni akan cakaha singa ba pengelongan kusungaha onda ke wa CN Development wa singa sadisin ko nata.
Kajinkerman, a village organization of Noxdare Umyam area on August 19th, organized public awareness campaign on drug abuse and its effects in destroying individuals and community, where prominent resource persons from State Health Department and police personnel participated in the teaching and enlightening the people of this area. The campaign was well attended by villagers, youths and students from Noxdare and nearby villages. Shri Meban Taryang, who had recovered from the grip of drug addiction, was the attracted speaker who bore witness of his recovery and shared his terrible experience while he was a slave of this bad habit. With the help of the family, loved ones and those nearby him, and sheer self-determination, he was able to shed away this evil habit. His personal witness to the pains, both mental and physical, that he had undergone while a victim of drug addiction moved and touched the audience, particularly the youths and students who attended the meeting. Many shed tears while listening to him. Others who spoke at the awareness campaign included Dr. Clifford Warjri, BDO Bhoirambong CNRD, experts from health and police departments.
Classroom, I bisa by project, I bisa by exam fees, by bun bagi by. Sedang macam bisa ni Inggris. Kata kalau kau kita kisin kita pilawan itu, kita kami yole SCP, na ikan duk lani pilai Asian lah kata. Sedang nak jempan bisa pilawan itu yang kena. Andola ngap lagi ni kejengdi, kamtam mudra.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.